welcome to Balay Ihungan Farm. Kami po ay nag-aalaga ng kabuti o mushroom. Pinapakita po namin kung paano inalagaan, niluluto at kumita. Kaya huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe Kabalay. Hello Kabalay, welcome back to our channel. Ito yung second batch ng mushroom spawn ng kabute. Sana walang basag o kaya kunti lang ang basag. Tara na at umpisahan natin at makapagtanim na tayo. Pag bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, paki-subscribe at paki-hit sa notification bell para updated ka.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place.
Sa mga di nakaalam, sorghum seed ang gamit nila dito.
What's that, ate?
Sorghum seed.
What's sorghum seed?
Ito ang seed.
No.
Minsan kasi hindi na aabot ang gawa nating spawn of it o kaya minsan failure pa. Kaya para iwas aberya o gastos, bili na lang.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Ito yon Kabalay, 25 bottles, isa lang ang contaminated. Okay lang kung contaminated, tutubo pa rin to. Tapos na nating buksan Kabalay. Sa sunod na video ay magtatanim na tayo. Salamat sa panonood. Happy farming!